This is one of the latest immigration news I'm about to share. And if this information even does not benefit you, it might benefit a friend or maybe a family member, make sure you watch to the end, because I'll be sharing with you the criteria and all the rules you need to be able to travel through this route. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Grace Ola, and on this channel I share everything migration, and I share lifestyle in the UK as well, and generally I talk about everything that will help you live and thrive in the UK successfully. So if this is the first time you're seeing this channel, this is me. Kindly like, subscribe, and share my videos. Despite the stricter measures the government implemented to cut down net migration by increasing the salary threshold of certain visa categories, and they also restricted care workers from bringing their dependents into the UK, a new immigration rule that allowed about 82 occupations to come into the country on a temporary visa. So there is a committee called MAC, which is a Migration Advisory Committee. They are responsible for migration. They advise the government that there are certain occupations in the country that are lacking labor forces. I will mention these occupations in a bit. Basically, this particular mind-blowing strategy is to improve economic growth of the country. UK, they have sense. They have sense. So someone would ask, could this be a route to permanent residence? The answer is no. So let me just read what it says. The UK government has identified 82 occupations that are eligible for a UK visa under the new temporary shortage list. So the temporary shortage list is just a list of occupations that the country is lacking. So it says these occupations are essential for addressing critical workforce gaps in various industries. The government has realized that there are certain occupations that need labor forces, and these are the occupations they have identified. These occupations contribute to the economic growth of the countries. This is the list, the temporary shortage list, the 82 occupations I spoke about. So it's a whole lot. I'm not going to read everything. I'll leave in the description everything for you to have a look at it. Okay, so the first one is construction and trades. And as you can see, we have the bricklayers, masons, carpenters and joiners, plasterers, roofers, roof tailors, and the rest. We have plumbers, electricians, and the rest. Okay. And then under creative arts and culture, we have dancers, choreographers, musicians, actors and performers, photographers, fashion designers, sound engineers, lighting, game developers, data tech, just to mention a few. Okay, under technology and IT, we have web designers, IT support technicians, game developers, data. Okay, and under the health and social care, we have the care assistants, senior care workers, we have nursing assistants, dental nurses, and the rest. We have the laboratory technicians as well. And then under hospitality and service, we have chefs and cooks, bakers and pastry chefs, butchers, and amongst others. We have the manufacturing and engineering department as well. We have logistics and transport, agriculture and environment. We have public services and support. Okay, and this is from the official government website. This is an official website from the government, from the UK government. So I'll leave this particular document in the description, all the lists, so you can have a look and see which one you fall under. Okay, and I'm going to make another video as well explaining to details how you can apply and all you need to do in general to go through this process. All right, so the criteria for this particular rule is, let me read this out. It says, number 1, minimum English language threshold. So the minimum English language threshold is just, you should be able to prove your ability to speak English. Okay, So with the nurses, we have IELTS. But with this particular one, the employer would definitely tell you what they require. The second one is you should be able to accept that the visa is temporary and it is 3 to 5 years. You should agree to the fact that it's not going to lead to permanent residence, and after your 5 years, you would leave the country. Unless, of course, there's a new rule that says otherwise. The third point, it says the employers should be willing to train and retain citizens to reduce reliance on foreign labor. So now, the UK government is trying to cut down as much as possible recruiting from overseas. They are trying to make use of their own people. So before the employer can bring in someone, they should be able to train a UK citizen so that they can also work as well. Do you understand? So it's just the way the government is trying to retain their own people rather than recruiting labor forces from overseas. So let me know in the comment section if you're referring this particular immigration news to a friend, a family, or anyone, because this is an opportunity to explore a different country. You never can tell. So guys, don't snooze on this, okay? I'll be leaving in the description links to the whole information, how you can apply through the employer. And if you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section and I'll try my best to answer as soon as possible. So if there is any new update regarding this particular new immigration rule, I will be coming to share as soon as possible. So kindly subscribe to be the first to get this information, because you never can tell when opportunity comes. Guys, don't snooze on this. Kindly grab this opportunity. Who knows, it might just be an opportunity to explore the United Kingdom. Okay, so tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell the bricklayer, the welder, the dancer, and all those people. Tell them, okay? Tell them to pack their bags and get ready to come to the United Kingdom. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.